Ever wondered how some dropshipping stores get their products from a supplier and onto their Shopify site without ever touching a single item? They're using a dropshipping app, and if you're looking for high-quality products with fast shipping from the US and Europe, Spocket is a name you've probably heard. But can you actually connect Spocket to your Shopify store? And more importantly, is it easy? The short answer is a resounding yes, and not only is it possible, but it's designed to be a seamless process. The beauty of modern e-commerce is the way these platforms work together, and Spocket and Shopify are a perfect example of that. Spocket exists as a Shopify app, which means the integration is built right into the system. You're not trying to force two separate programs to talk to each other with a complicated workaround. They're already speaking the same language. So, how does it all work? You have two main routes to get started. The first is to go directly through the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify admin dashboard, you'll find a section for Apps and Sales Channels. A quick search for Spocket will bring up the app. From there, you simply click to install it. Shopify will ask for your permission to connect the two, and a few clicks later, you'll be in the Spocket dashboard. It's really that simple. The second way to do it is to start on the Spocket side. If you've already created an account on the Spocket website, you can log in, go to the Shop or Settings section, and choose to connect to your Shopify store. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL, and the platform will handle the rest. Both methods get you to the same place, a fully integrated system where your Shopify store and Spocket account are linked. Once you're connected, the real fun begins. You'll be able to browse Spocket's extensive catalog of products, which is a treasure trove of goods from suppliers primarily based in the US and EU. This is a huge advantage for dropshippers, as it means faster shipping times and generally higher product quality than you might find with suppliers from other regions. You can filter by product type, price, shipping location, and even whether the supplier offers branded invoicing to create a more professional look for your brand. When you find a product you like, you simply click a button to add it to your import list in Spocket. From there, you can review the product details, edit the title or description to better fit your brand's voice, and set your own profit margin. When you're ready, you push to store, and within moments, the product appears on your Shopify store, complete with images, descriptions, and variants. The integration doesn't stop there. One of the most powerful features is the automation. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the details are automatically sent to your Spocket account. All you have to do is go to your Spocket dashboard, click Checkout, pay the wholesale price, and the supplier takes care of the rest. They pack and ship the product directly to your customer. Inventory is also synced in real time, so you don't have to worry about accidentally selling a product that's out of stock. It's a completely hands-off process on your end, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your brand. The seamless connection between Spocket and Shopify is what makes dropshipping with this platform so appealing. It takes away the logistical headaches and lets you get straight to the business of selling. It's a powerful one-two punch for anyone looking to build a successful e-commerce brand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.